If Telegram keeps freezing or lagging on your iPhone, this video will help. These issues are often caused by cache buildup, background limits, or network problems. Let's quickly fix Telegram lagging on iPhone. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off, and ensure you are on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear the local database. Open Telegram, then go to Settings. After that, tap Data and Storage. Now tap Storage Usage and tap Clear Entire Cache. Now scroll to the very bottom. Tap Clear Local Database. This will not delete your chats. It just clears the text search index and reloads it from the cloud. Solution 2. Check for proxy latency. Go to Telegram, Settings, then go to Data and Storage, scroll down and tap Proxy. If you are using a proxy, disable it to see if performance improves. Solution 3. Limit automatic media downloads. Go to Telegram Settings. After that, tap Data and Storage. Under Automatic Media Download, turn off the toggles for using cellular and using Wi-Fi. This forces the app to only download media when you tap on it. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to iPhone Settings, then go to General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all network connections. Solution 5. Reinstall Telegram. Delete Telegram from your iPhone. Now restart your iPhone. Reinstall Telegram from the App Store and sign in again. I think it's gonna work. If this helped, like the video and subscribe and turn on notifications for more iPhone and Telegram fixes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.